Hello everyone, welcome back to week 2 of the course here, Managerial Economics. I got some scenery up here, got my analogies I do about runners. And this is just one example of social distancing. Um, another example here. And I know we have the event going on right now with the virus situation. And, my topic relating to that is about powering through. That term power through it, or get through it, that's basically to continue in a strong and determined way until the end of something, even when it's very difficult. So for everybody right now, there's probably some difficult times, powering through the virus timeline here. One of the things that's going on is a lot of people are working from home. Some people are not working at all, but they're also at home. Most places have gotten into the stay-at-home situation, for social distancing and so forth. So it may be good, it may be bad, depending on your individual situation. Some of you may be still working, some may be working overtime, then others may not be working at all because of the situation. So it all depends. Um, I will say there's one positive. If we could come up with a positive, is that nothing changes for the online student. So in your case, uh, whether you're working or not working, you're still gonna, do your schoolwork. You have that advantage that, a lot of people don't have. A lot of the traditional schools are they're jumping through hoops to figure out ways to create online courses for the traditional students. So we already have it in place, and so as far as that goes, that would be one of the positives. This virus thing will pass, so I just suggest being smart about it. Make sure we're doing all the things we're supposed to do, staying away from each other, doing the hand washing thing, staying vigilant, stay focused, don't go to the crazy. Depending on who you listen to, the news media does a lot of hyping. People ran to the stores, bought a year's worth of toilet paper. Uh, even though we can still go to the stores if we need to. The problem is there's nothing on the shelves because everybody ran out and got stuff, even though they didn't really have to. But, still, things will work out. There's kind of a timeline, a month or two, depending how things go. Just don't forget, you are the innovators, the visionaries, and the forward thinkers. So don't, get through this. Don't let it get you. Um, don't let it get you down or depressed or anything like that. It'll all work out. And practice your social distancing. So this will also serve as the test question this week, all right? So let me know what my 3-year-old grandson did. He kind of got away from me when we went, me and the 7-year-old and 3-year-old, we went to the park the other day, empty park, and that's what happened. The situation was so dire, I actually had to use a improvised rescue apparatus. You'll notice down here, but that mud was up over these wheels, and that's how I had to get out there and, get him back. So, but he was having fun. So anyway, so that's it on here. Again, don't, let's power through this thing, and, we'll all be okay. So, all right. Course itself here real quick, upcoming week 2. All right, so you got your presentations and your videos in there, and all the chapters I checked to make sure we had the right chapters in there. Last week there was a chapter mixed up in there, but we got it fixed. So, all right, so we got the annual presentations, and then we also have the discussion, which is it's a video. So the topic is in the video here. So we got that there. Again, Wednesday, get your initial post in there so everybody can see it. 2 replies to classmates and 1 to the instructor video. All right. So and then we also got your regular assignments and your the individual problems at the end of each chapter there. And then we also got your weekly paper and your quiz. All right, so on these papers, all right, so it's all right there for you. If you got any questions or anything, or something ain't clear, just get in touch with me. All right, because again, I'm 7 days a week, so you don't have to wait for a particular day or anything like that. And, most of you've been in touch with me one time or another, and so we'll just there we go. I will just put that up there for that. So anyway, that's it. Have a great week. If you need anything, get in touch with me. All right. Take care. Have a great week.